I was having pain in my left foot. I know that it was hereditary, that I had a bunion. I developed a bunion because my mother had one, right? So I've been wearing heels and it just wasn't working out. The pain was starting to be unbearable. So I just decided to actually look for a podiatrist. I have been putting it off for so many years. And I Googled and came up with Dr. Nagler. I looked up all the reviews and everything was just astounding, just great. So I said, well, why not? It's time for me to get it done. I felt comfortable like immediately. Sometimes, you know, you get a feeling, you're not quite sure if this is the doctor, if he's really listening to you. His bedside manner just made you feel comfortable, he made me feel that I was going to be okay, that he was going to take care of me. This was the surgery, and he was the right person to do the surgery. Well, it's completely healed, but you can't really notice the scar. And that's one of the things, one of the reasons why I wanted to come to him is because I didn't want to see this nasty scar on my foot for years. So it's very noticeable. And, you know, I asked my husband the other day, I said, look, can you see it? Just, you know, by you just glancing at it, he couldn't see it. So I'm loving it. Very informative, very nice, but they also respond to you quickly. Anytime that I call, there's never, well, let me get back to you. It's always they handle it on their first call, so it's never a call back. They call, they check up on you after the surgery. So I feel like they're a small family, and so I felt a part of that family once I became his patient. That if you're in pain, that if it's bothering you to where you can't walk at night and morning, noon, get it done. Get it done. I was scared because, you know, that's one of the extremities that you think, okay, well, I may not be able to walk correctly again, or I may not be able to get back in my heels again. So I would say that get rid of all the what ifs and just call Dr. Nagler, have the surgery, and you won't regret it.